Hi guys, welcome to my new setup, the new ISO for March. And I was just updating our packages. We have lots and lots of packages online. But first I'm gonna show you a quick way. I wanna have Plank up here, and I'll show you a tip later on in another video. Plank, the easy way to get it. Well, is it installed? First things first, because we have ArcoLinux, ArcoLinux D, ArcoLinux B, ALCI, and maybe you go for the Archway. So, do you have it installed? There's the application, okay, and the themes. And we have lots of themes. ArcoLinux, Plank, I think we have about 80 themes or something like that. Themes kit, right? And our own setting, ArcoLinux Plank, but okay, you're entitled to use it or not, right? It's just a config. And how to easily now launch it? The first thing that comes in my mind is Ctrl-Alt-E as a quick way to get it started. And this is gonna work everywhere. We have 21 desktops, 21 desktops. Type in the name, the command, so the executable, which is the same. Comment is not necessary, add, and here it is. We have a line. Technically, if you want to know what happens, it's going to go in the config, auto start. We have added something. We've added this little thing. Now, not every 21 desktops is going to launch things that are in auto start. Mostly the desktops will, and tiling window managers as a rule won't. So if you type it somewhere in your config of the tiling window manager. Now, often they also have something like auto start or something. Let's see what the name is here. Start, session and startup. This one has it. Again, tiling window managers do not have it. So a plus is equal, like the same thing, name, description, command. It's the same thing. All right. So Plank will boot up next time and then I can choose it. Now I can launch it like this, so that's included in the video as well. It's gonna pop up somewhere, here, or there, somewhere at the corner. Now we've put it to the left side because of OpenBox and XFC and i3, they are on the same ISO. But if I'm gonna stay here, maybe I would like to have it more at the top. Maybe I would like to have a little bit bigger icons, or better, and then icon zoom, lower, or just bigger. And then lots, like I said, lots and lots of fun stuff to choose from, 80 or so to have them. I like this one today. Voila. And Plank is set. Have fun.